go ahead, hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I am super duper excited to be sharing with you guys our new home. So we just recently sold our previous home and we purchased this one. So I just wanted to give you guys a tour and let you see what everything looks like before we start putting the furniture in here. I have so many different ideas. We do have a few renovations that we want to do. So y'all already know house to home videos are about to be lit. So I just kind of want to share with you guys each room and let you guys know what I have in mind as far as the changes. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So this is what it looks like whenever you come through the front door. And then on the left hand side, when you walk through the door, you have the dining room. So I do plan on painting in here. I actually plan on painting majority of the house, and I do want to replace this light fixture. So there is a built-in in here, and they have a lot of these in the house. For some reason they must have really just loved built-ins, but I think I'm going to paint this. We might take it out, but I think we might just paint it. On the right side of walking through the front door, we have an office. So this is just where I'm gonna put my computer and all of that stuff. We do plan on painting in here and taking out this light fixture. So there's a really cute little gas fireplace in here. So we're gonna paint this and just kind of lighten this room up a little bit, because as you guys can tell, it's a little bit dark because they have it painted this hunter green color. And if you walk straight in from the front door, you have the living room. I absolutely fell in love with the living room. I love the French doors and all of the natural light that it gives in this area. And I also really love the columns. I feel like it just adds a little extra wham bam, thank you ma'am, to the living room. So yeah, it's really, really pretty. I love the natural light. And then we also have a fireplace, which I do plan on taking the actual insert out, like the little black thing. And I think I'm gonna replace, or not replace, but I think I'm gonna put like some towel around the brick or maybe paint it, because I just don't feel like the natural brick really goes with the whole theme that I'm going for in this house. And above the fireplace, we're gonna put our TV, and then we have some built-ins on both sides. So that's really nice. And the ceilings are really, really high in here, so I love that. But I don't plan on doing too much in the living room. Painting and then replacing the ceiling fans, then going over the brick area with some towel or maybe painting. And from the living room, there's two different places that you can enter into the kitchen. So you can enter on that side, or you can enter through this space right here. So we're gonna go ahead and walk into the kitchen, which I absolutely fell in love with. I love the kitchen area so much. So we do have a few different things to do in here. We plan on painting all of the cabinets and replacing the countertops. We're also going to redo the tile on the floor because it's a little bit dated. And we're also going to replace all of the light fixtures. So on the other wall of the kitchen, they have this little built-in thing. I told you guys there's a couple of them in the house. They really, really love their built-ins. But I think we're going to do something different with this space. I'm not really sure yet. I think I might take the top off and just replace it with like regular cabinets, and then do like a backsplash and the countertops and all of that. But yeah, that's just what the other side of the kitchen looks like. And as you guys can tell, the dining room door is right through there. And then we have the garage door right there, which I need to shut. So I really love the island here. It's not too big, but it has a little sink on top. We do have to replace some of the appliances, like the dishwasher. As you guys can tell, it is super duper old. And this is what the countertops look like. So like I told you guys, we're gonna replace those. We're also going to replace that sink, and we're gonna add a backsplash there. And I'm not sure if we're gonna get rid of the refrigerator yet or not. I mean, I really like it because it's really big. So this door right here goes to the garage. This is kind of like a broom closet, I guess you could say. And right here is the pantry, which is not crazy big, but we didn't have any pantry space at the other house. So y'all, I'm super excited about this. I plan on making everything really nice and organized. So hopefully I can do a pantry organization video for you guys. I'm super duper excited. I've never had a pantry. And another thing that I've never had is an actual laundry room. So y'all, you do not know how excited I am for this laundry room, y'all. Like, laundry is about to be lit. So this is what we have. Lots of cabinet space. A window to look out. We're gonna replace the cabinets in here. Not the cabinets, the countertops, and then we're also going to paint the cabinets. And the kitchen area also has a lot of natural light, which I fell in love with. So we do plan on taking this light fixture down, and this is just where you would put like a little small table. So I think I'm gonna do a round table with like 4 chairs. And then here you have a door that goes out to the deck. So that's what the back looks like, which we have a lot of yard work to do, but yeah, that's the deck that goes all the way across the back of the house. And then over here, this is what they call the keeping area. And the sellers, they left all of that stuff behind, so pay that no mind. But we do plan on taking this built-in out. I want to take that out, and we're probably going to put a TV on the wall in here, and then a couch and a little love seat or some chairs or something. I'm not really sure what to do with this area yet. I've been looking at little keeping rooms on Pinterest to kind of get some ideas, but yeah. So going back through the living room, I'm gonna show you guys the master bedroom downstairs. This door right here leads to the basement, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. And then right here, we just have a half bathroom. Nothing special, it's just a sink. Oops, wrong one. It's just a sink and a toilet, so I'll probably add a mirror and maybe replace that sink. Not sure yet. So here's the master bedroom downstairs. So this is either going to be like a guest bedroom, or my grandparents, they're getting old, so maybe they'll want to come move in with us one day. So this will be their bedroom if they ever decide they want to do that. But it's really, really nice. I absolutely love this. And this was one of the main things that sold me for this house, because like I said, I know my grandparents are getting older, so they might have to move in with me one day. So I just wanted to make sure that they had something that was gonna make them really nice and comfortable. And I felt that this room was just gonna be awesome for them, because it does have the master bathroom as well. And then it has the French doors that go out to a little porch out there. This is what the other side of the bedroom looks like. And of course we have more built-ins because they absolutely love them for whatever reason. But I'm not sure if we're gonna take those out or what. Probably not gonna do much to this room yet. If my grandparents ever decide that they wanna move in, then no, we'll probably go hand in hand decorating it and all of that good stuff. But for now, while we're doing renovations and stuff, we're actually going to have our bed in here, because we do have a few different renovations that we're going to be doing upstairs. So we're going to be sleeping here for a few weeks while they do that. And then this is the bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. I really, really love this bathroom. So it has a shower, and then it has so much counter space. So this room right here, as you come up the stairs, is on the right hand side, and this is going to be my temporary beauty room, because there's a room down in the basement that I'm going to use, but we have to do a few things to it. So this is what I'm going to be using for right now. But once I get out of this room, then this will be a kid's room, and it's really nice and big, you guys. It's so huge. And as you walk out of this room, you can see the foyer, and they did bring some furniture. That's what you see down in the dining room. So yeah, we're gonna replace this light fixture right here. And then straight ahead, that's the master bedroom. And here to the right, this is the balcony. You can see the living room. There's Greenie and Uriah. And then here to the left, this is gonna be Uriah's room. So we're definitely gonna paint this because as you guys can tell, it's bright yellow right now. So we're gonna paint this kind of a medium tone gray color. So yeah, I love these little spaces. And then we're also gonna replace the light fixture in here as well. And then here's the bathroom connected to this bedroom. It has these little swinging doors, but we're gonna replace those and just put a regular door up. And this bathroom is gonna have to be completely remodeled. So as you guys can tell, it has lots of tile, which is dated. So we're gonna redo this eventually, but it'll be later on. But yeah, it has a tub and a shower in here. And I really love this feature because if we have a second child and it's a girl, I think this would be so cute. So then Uriah will go to the room that is going to be my temporary beauty room, and then she could have this bedroom. So I love that. And pretty much across from Uriah's room is the upstairs master, which this is going to be the one that we use as our bedroom, and it's really, really big. It does have a built-in, which we're gonna take out because it's just dated. So we're gonna take that out. We're also gonna paint in here, and we're gonna replace that light fixture, and we're gonna be taking up all the carpet upstairs and replacing it with hardwood. So yeah, they'll be doing that really soon. I'm personally just not a big fan of carpet. Especially with a little one, he'll be spilling stuff, and then with a dog. So yeah, we're just gonna get rid of it and probably sell it because this is brand new carpet. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do up here, get rid of all of this carpet. And here is the master bathroom upstairs. So this is gonna get a complete remodel, and they'll be starting on this really soon. So we're gonna replace the tub, take all of that towel out. We're gonna redo the shower. We're gonna redo this door. We just have a few different things we're gonna do. We're gonna take this towel up and do something really nice and just a little bit more white and clean. And then we're also gonna replace the vanity lights, and we're gonna redo the countertops and paint these cabinets. And that door right there goes to Colton's closet. So this is what his closet looks like. We definitely have to paint in here. Got some hanging space on both sides, and it is walk-in. So it's a pretty big size. It's probably a little bit more space than what he currently has. And then later on, we're gonna redo this and do like custom closets. So we'll probably get a company like California Closets to come in here and do all of the cabinet type system. On the other side of the bathroom, going through this door, this is my closet. And this closet is so huge, you guys. It could definitely be like a bedroom or something. So we have some space over here for some shoes. And then that little cabinet right there has a little pop-out ironing board, which I thought was really cool. On this side, we have some space for some shoes, and then also have some hanging space. And then we have two little cabinet pieces. I'm probably gonna paint those. They aren't like attached to the wall or anything, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep them, but if I do, I'm gonna paint them white. And then we have some more hanging space right there. So yeah, it's really nice and big. I can't wait to do the custom closet. So now we're headed down to the basement. So the entire basement has carpet in it. Right when you walk down the stairs, you have a room to the left, but we're gonna go ahead and walk on around. So it just opens up right in the middle, and it has this wood burning fireplace. And then right here, let's see if I can get some lights on. We have my workout stuff. So this is my Peloton bike that Colton got me for Christmas. I've really been loving that bike. I haven't gotten a chance to ride it too much because we've been moving, but the few times I've rode it, I've just fell in love with it. And then we have my treadmill. So this is just going to be where I keep all of my little workout stuff. So then over on this wall, we have some cabinets, and then I put more of my workout things over there. So yeah, this would just be really nice to kind of put some stuff, because we're gonna use this as like our little entertaining space. So we might could put some snacks or some drinks or something. Kind of use this as like the bar area. So we have glass double doors that go out to a little deck out there, and they have all of the wood for the fireplace out there. And then over on this side, this is where my main beauty room is going to be. So as you guys can tell right here, there's a lot of space between this wall and the actual fireplace. Well, right here, this is a bedroom. So what we're thinking about doing is taking this wall out and expanding this room so the beauty room can be a little bit bigger. But this might not be something that we do immediately. Maybe once we have another kid, God willing, you know, once I have to move down here permanently, we'll probably expand this room a little bit. But it's a nice size room, but just to be able to fit all of my stuff and be able to have the studio I want, we just want to make it a little bit bigger. But it does have a closet. And then there's the closet. And for the bedroom down here, we just have this small little bathroom. So it has a sink, and then a tub and a shower, and then also a toilet. And then from the bathroom, we have this door, and mainly in here is just going to be storage. So they left this little desk that we have to get rid of. But yeah, this is just where I'm going to put all my seasonal decor at. So back here is where they've started storing the Christmas tree and some of my pillows and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just going to be the storage room. And then over here we also have a utility sink. So this will be really nice to give Piglet a bath in. And then I think there might be some washer and dryer hookups as well, but we won't be adding another washer and dryer. So going back to where we have my little workout stuff, there's double doors that lead to where we're gonna have our entertaining room. So this is what this space looks like. So this is the couch that I used to have in the living room, and we're just gonna use this in a little entertaining spot. We're actually gonna add another piece just to make it a little bit bigger, but we're gonna paint down here, and we're gonna move the top of this shelving unit and put a big TV up on the wall. And yeah, this room is really, really spacious. So we're gonna paint down here as well. And then they have some more little cabinets that we'll probably end up taking out of here because they aren't connected to the wall or anything. And then walking on around, this is going to be Colton's little poker room, his man cave, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, they've already put the futon down here, the fan, and his jersey. Walk through this door. We're back at the stairs that lead to the main level. Alright guys, so that concludes the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!